First, when operating the sod cutter, make sure the engine is on and running at max engine speed. To drive the machine forward, squeeze the traction control lever towards the handle. To drive the machine backwards, push down on the reverse thumb tab. To cut sod, engage the cutting blade by pressing the latch release lever forward and then squeeze the cutting blade control lever. When the caster wheel lock lever is down, the caster wheel is locked in line with the drive wheels. Move the caster wheel lock lever up to the disengaged position to allow the caster wheel to pivot so the machine can cut along a curve. The engine off, open the bypass lever by moving the lever into the lower slot. This allows for the machine to be pushed or pulled for a short distance. When complete, engage the drive wheels by moving the bypass valve lever into the upper slot. The engine switch is located here and can be turned on and off. To close the choke, move the choke control lever to the left. To open the choke, move the choke control lever to the right. Move the fuel shutoff lever to the left to turn the fuel off and move it to the right to turn the fuel on. Move the engine speed control lever to the left to increase engine speed and move it to the right to decrease engine speed. To adjust the depth of cut, first loosen the adjustment knob, then move it up or down to decrease and increase the depth of cut. Tighten the depth stop adjustment knob to lock the plate in place. Tip the machine forward to allow it to rest on the front bumper. Turn the green lever counterclockwise to unlock the cutting blade height. Then lower the yellow lever until it contacts the depth stop plate. Tighten the green lever to lock the cutting blade height. When adjusting the cutting blade angle, first start with the blade set level. If the blade rides up out of the soil when cutting, increase the forward pitching of the blade in small increments until it no longer rides up and out of the soil. To adjust the cutting blade angle, loosen the black cutting blade angle locking lever shown here. Move the H-frame forward or backwards until the cutting blade is at the desired angle. Tighten the black cutting blade angle locking lever to lock the cutting blade angle.